Good morning, friends. Now we are in another part of degree value and minutes and seconds conversion. Now, in a previous part, we have just learned that degree to value conversion, and now in this clip, we will learn that how to find it out those values from the degrees. Let's say very first term I am just giving you is that for the sine theta, which is called as 0.0052. This method is quite cumbersome because it is not that much easy compared to that degree to value conversion. So first of all, I'm just showing you very simple manner, and that is called as a sine theta equals to 0.0052. In so many competitive exams, whenever such type of angles has been given to you, let's say we have sine theta is equals to 0.0052. Yes, in some of the exams they are just directly mentioning that you can, without help of a log table, theta equals to sine inverse, you can mention that 0.0052. So this is also allowed method. You can see that, let's say I'm just mentioning another one. Let's say I have a tan theta which is called as 0.1512. If I want to mention only theta, I can directly say that a tan inverse 0.1512. This is also acceptable manner, but for the very cautious part and very precise value, we will just use our log table. So before going further, always kept one handy log table with you. Let's say I want to find it out this value of sine 0.0052. Again, like previous part, it is mentioned as a sine, so we will just open that sine table, natural sine table. So this is the, as per name suggests, that we have to see that values, and from those values we have to see that degrees. Again, whenever you are finding it out those values, keep in mind that always see that digits. It is very first one, it is dealing with the 0.00. So instead of going for the degrees part, always see your values and then after decide your degrees. We want to see that 0 point. So very first line is dealing with, you can see that point, that is 0 point. Then we want double zero. So yes, this is the line dealing with the double zero. We want a 0052. Yes, this is the point I have. So you can say that it is dealing with the 0 degree, and this is having that minutes is called as 18 minutes. So your value of theta, it is called as sine theta's value. Theta is equals to 0 degree and 18 minutes. So this is how it has been something different too. You can see that in previous part we were just mentioning that theta equals to sine inverse 0052. That was the only upper view, but whenever we will go in the depth of it, we got this value which is called as theta equals to 0 degree and 18 minute. This is the very accurate values. Now next value we are just finding it out. Let's say I'm just mentioning that sine theta is equals to 0.33 and 34. Let's say we want to again see that 32 and 34. So you can just say that first of all we have to just see that wherever 32 can be there. So let's say I have just found it out 32 56, but 56 is a more value. We don't want 36, so we have to just go beyond. It is 3239. Okay, it is more than our acceptable or required value, but you can see that it is called as a 3223. Yes, in a 3223 what we want is 3234, because our required value is called as a 3234. So what I am doing is that going into 3223 and adding some values to it. So I want to check it out whether it is coming near to my values. 3223 plus 3, it is 3226, but not acceptable. 3223 and 6, 3229, not acceptable. 3223 and 8, it would give me 3231, again not acceptable. And 11, 3223 and 11 will give me nearest value or exact value 3234. Yes, it is called as my actual value. So you can see that this 3223 is coming under the minutes of a 48, and 11 is coming under the minute of a 4. So 48 and 4 would give me 52, and these degrees are called as 18 degrees. So my value of theta is called as 18 degree and 52 minutes. So this is how you can find it out, and this example may have given you that idea why I'm saying that it is some cumbersome method. because you have to be very cautious. If you have a scale, then use the scale to find it out proper value, or you can just put a dot notation as I am putting dots. Right now we want that sine theta equals to 0.1512. So I have natural sine. Again I am just dividing and want that 0.15. So always have a habit to go like points 0 point, okay, then you can see 1 2 1 2 and 1 5. Yes, now 1 5 we have reached, but what we want is not 64, we want is 1 5 1 2. Okay, but this is the nearest value. Yes, in whenever sine or cosine values you are finding it out, you are allowed to find out values which are very much near, it is acceptable. So 1513 is very much near, so you can see that it is coming under the influence of a 42 minutes, and its degree would be 8. So I can just say that its theta is equals to 8 degree and 42 minutes. Now we are just putting another example. Let's say example number 4 I am putting in front of you. Let's say it is sine theta 0.3412. I want this value, so you have in front of you 0.0342. so in table you can just see that always have a habit, it is giving 0 0. We want is that 0 point, so these are the 0 point, but we want to 3 4. Okay, you can see that it is a 3 2 value, we want a 3 4. Yes, it is 3 4. What we want is that after 3 4 12, so 3404, and we can get and add them in the 8, so we may get our value 3412, which is been needed part. So again we will just see that in which part it is coming. So it is coming under the roof of 54 minutes, and again it is coming under the rooftop of 3 minutes, so it would be 54 and 3 would be 57, and in the line of angle would be 19 degree. So my value would be theta equals to 19 degree and 57 minutes. So this is how you can find it out values of sine. Now we want to find it out the values of tan theta. So natural tangents we have to just see. Again like sine we have another value of algorithmic tangent, but it is of no use. We want that tan. So now just going in the value of tangent 0.1512. Same procedure we will follow. 0.1512. So we will just go this table 0.1. Okay, then we have 5 over here, it is a 0.1584, but we don't want 1584, we want 1512. So we are going in the previous line, so it will be, yes, direct value available to us, it is coming under the 36 minutes, and we will just see that in a what degree it is coming. So it is coming under the degree of 8. So theta equals to 8 degree and 36 minutes. Next is that 1.13416. You can see that in this table all those values starting here very first row of 0 minutes are dealing with the our very first notations. It is 1 point, all those points are 0 points. So we will go to the another part of it, and that is called as a 45 degrees. You can say that now it is the beginning of a 1 point value. We want 1.3416, so we will go that 1.32. yes, we want a 1.34, yes, but we want a 3416, and this is the exact value we got, a 3416, and it is in the line of 1 point. Yes, so we have a 53 degrees and 18 minutes. So my theta equals to 53 degrees and 18 minutes. Next is that I have a tan theta equals to 1.0042, as very first line is suggesting us a 1 point. In a previous part we have just seen that it is containing 0 0, so 1 point we want 00. So very first line you can see that 1.00. Yes, we want is 42, 1.00 35, 1.00 70, which is larger. So we will just stick to this part 0.0035. In 35 if we will add 6, it will give us 1.0041, but we want 42. If we will add 12, it may increase our value. So we will just stick to this part even though our value will be lesser than 0.0001. So we got this after value is 1.0041, which is very much near to our actual value. So we will just get that it is called as our 45 degrees 6 and 1 minutes. It is called as a 7 minutes. So we got that value of a theta is equals to 45 degree and 7 minutes. Last is called as a tan theta 1.3261. So in table you can see that here we have all those values which are starting from 0 points, and what we want is called as a 1 point. So we will just start this part 1 point, and we got after 1 we want 32. Okay, that is called as a 3270, which is more than our required part. So we will just go in the row of a 52. So we will have yes 1.3222. In a 3222, if we will add 8, it is 3230, which is far below our actual required value. 3222 and 16, it is called as a 3238, again below. We will add 24, again below. 31, again below, and we will have a 39, which may give our part, let's say a 3221, and 39 will give us a 3261. Yes, it is the exact value we got. So we have a 5 minutes. This one is a 454. Then we have a 59 minutes, and our line of a degree would be 52. So we got that theta equals to 52 degrees and 59 minutes. So after learning, you have two methods in front of you. You have first of all learn degree to value. It means that directly degree is available to you and you have just found it out it's a value. And another method is called as a value to degree. So you have just values and you have to find it out degrees. It is called as a direct replica of a previous method. So keep in mind these two methods for your entire study career, because you will be frequently in need of it up to your 12th science in colleges also. But in college they are allowing your scientific calculator, and without calculator we have to just also, this is the only method we have to follow. So students, have this method handy to you, and if you have any doubt, just mention your doubt in the comment box. Thank you.